you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night and staying safe and healthy wherever you are. So as you can see, we are reporting live from Walgreens, and I haven't been to Walgreens in a while. It's probably been months, but I had to go grocery shopping today to get us set up for the week and make sure that we have everything that we need. And if you guys have stores that look like mine's here in the Metro Atlanta area, a lot of the grocery stores have been cleared out lately. So I took a peek at the Walgreens ad and I noticed that they had a lot of good food deals this week, and I was pleasantly surprised when I walked in at opening because their grocery shelves are actually fully stocked. So I decided to do some grocery deals here because if you're like me and you're not couponing that hard at Walgreens, you can actually use some of your points like I'm going to do today to reduce your out-of-pocket costs and save on your groceries. And I think right now, saving on your groceries is so important. So the first food deal that I did this week was on the Heinz ketchup. This deal also includes the Tyson chicken nuggets, which I'll show you later on in the video, the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, and the Heinz mustard. All of these items are buy one, get one free, so I got 2 big bottles of ketchup for $4.99. The next food deal on my list this week was the Aunt Jemima pancake mix. So they have tons of the pancake mix. It is 2 for $4, and it's so important when you're buying your food items that you want to check the expiration dates when you're shopping at the drugstore. So I'm just checking that to make sure that it's all good. This, along with the syrup, is $2 each. Next item that I had to grab was some of the Swanson chicken broth. So the cans are on sale for 59 cents this week, and I have been using so much chicken broth. You can also get the bigger ones for $1.79, but I'm going to grab a few of these cans for 59 cents each because they are so helpful for so many recipes. Tuna is also on sale this week for 99 cents for the can, or you can grab the pouches for 5 for $5. I'm going to get a couple cans for 99 cents each, a great pantry staple. Another great item to add to your pantry is the Campbell's soup items. So the Great for Cooking soups are on sale 2 for $2, and then you can also grab some of the regular soups 2 for $3. These are such a good thing to have in your pantry right now. And when I turned around behind me, they had additional shelves that were fully stocked with so many of these items. The next item I grabbed was some Betty Crocker cake mix because I have been baking more than usual. Don't know if it's from stress, but these are on sale for 99 cents. The frostings down below are 99 cents as well. All of the 12-pack sodas are on sale 3 for $8.99. So you can grab 3 of these, no coupon required, for $3 each. So I'm going to pick up 3 of these today. And then my next stop for drinks was the Arizona tea. So these are on sale for 50 cents each, or 2 for $1. So I'm grabbing 4 of these for my husband when he is on the road. The next item I needed to grab was some shredded cheese. So these are on sale 2 for $4 this week, or $2 each. The Philadelphia cream cheese is also included in this deal. I also went over to the freezer section to see what they had over there. If your freezer section at your grocery store is empty, definitely try Walgreens. They had so many goodies that are currently sold out at my local stores. If your kids are fans of Hot Pockets, these are on sale this week. They have the TGI Fridays products that are great for quick meals. And down below, they also had some of the Tyson chicken nuggets that are buy one, get one free. I decided to do this deal that we get quite often on the nice bags because I have been using bags a lot more frequently now that we're cooking and making food at home more. These are buy one, get 2 free, so you can get 3 of them for $2.79. also wanted to mention that if you end up buying more than $25 worth of groceries, you may want to use this 25% off coupon that you can find in the ad. The 25% will not apply to your current purchase, so I didn't bother with it. It will apply to a future eligible purchase of $10 or more. The Purex is also a good deal this week if you need laundry detergent. It's on sale for $1.99, and we have a $1 off digital coupon, making it only 99 cents. The Lay's chips are also on sale for $1.88. If you really need bottled water, my store had Dasani on sale for $3.99 with a limit of 3. They had tons of Dasani in stock. We also have a really good deal on the Poise this week. So these are $5.99. We have a $2 off digital store coupon and a $3 off digital store manufacturer coupon, making that only 99 cents. The Mitchum is also a great digital deal this week. It is on sale for $2.99. There's a $2 off digital, making that just 99 cents after coupon. Alright y'all, so this is my full cart. I got my 3 12-packs of soda ready to go, 3 for $8.99. I have my nice storage bags, 2 of the freezer size, and then I also got 1 of the sandwich bags, buy 1 get 2 free. Got my shredded cheese, I got 2 packs of those, 2 for $4. Then I got my Heinz ketchup. These are the bigger bottles, so they're 32 ounce each. Those are 2 buy 1 get 1 free. Got my frosting to go with my cake mix. Those are 99 cents. Got my Arizona teas, chicken broth, and then I also have my tuna that is $1 a piece. We got our Aunt Jemima pancake mix and syrup. We are locked and loaded and ready to go. So I'm going to go up. No digital coupons being used. We are just taking advantage of these sale prices. So let's go check out and see how this all works out. Alright you guys, so here's all my groceries. Everything rung out right except for one little thing that I'll show you in just a sec. There is my Heinz ketchup, $4.99, buy 1 get 1. My Arizona tea that rang out 2 for $1, or buy 1 get 1 for a penny. The nice trash bags, buy 1 get 2 free. The Swanson, 59 cents, just like we needed it to be. The Aunt Jemima was $2 each. That's the pancake syrup and the mix. And then there's my Kraft shredded cheese at $2 each. There is the Coke product, so those were 3 for $8.99 or $3 a piece. My Betty Crocker was 99 cents for each one of those products. The Star Kiss was the only issue that we had. Those were supposed to be 99 cents each. I think they rang out for $1.49. So I'll have to go see about that on another day. My subtotal was $32.91. I redeemed $10 in points and paid $24.01 after my taxes. And I had a total savings of 45% or $27.32. That we saved on our grocery bill today. So just wanted to show you guys an alternative of what you could look at if you are trying to stock up on some groceries. Since we're not doing that hardcore couponing, you can use those points to save on some food items, and $24 for all of these items I don't think is bad at all. So let me know if you have any questions, you guys. As always, I thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy out there, and you know I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.